What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect the Google Drive with the Claude. It's going to be pretty easy and simple steps. So what you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. I'm on the Claude desktop application. If you guys want to download it, the link is in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. Now once you're on this page, you will see the plus icon over here. So these are the connectors. What connectors do, it attaches the MCP routes of different platforms like Google, Notion, other platforms with various capabilities and the functionalities if you want to include those with your AI of the cloud. In order to connect those, like if you guys can see it, I've already included Canva, Gmail, Google Calendar, and a bunch of other stuff as well. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. What we have to do is to go to the add connectors option over here, and in the add connectors option just search Google Drive over here like I have already. Once you click on that, it will take you to a different menu. Here you will be prompted to go and authenticate with your Gmail account. Once you have authenticated it, you have to give it a few permissions like these ones, and once you have given the permissions, make sure you select all, then continue. And yep, that is going to be it. And now it says open up the Claude desktop application. That's what we're going to do. So it's going to relaunch the tab, and now I have granted the access. Just we're going to go ahead and wait a few seconds, and now we're going to see if the connector is available of Google Drive. Just a second. It isn't showing over here. Let me go to the add connectors option again, and the Google Drive is still there. Let me authenticate it again. Sometimes it takes a bit of two-step verification or something else. There could be a network glitch or something that could be something that comes in the way. So Claude for Google Drive already have some access. I'm just going to go ahead and continue, and then it will connect it automatically. So we just have to wait a few seconds till it reloads the Google Cloud itself, and then we'll be able to use it with the Cloud. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.